In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Zoho Creator. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your application or need it to align more closely with your brand, customizing your theme is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Zoho Creator account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the application that you wish to modify. When you've got the application open, find the Edit Application button, also known as the Edit Mode icon. Clicking this will take you into the Builder environment, where the real magic happens. Now that you're in the Edit mode, turn your attention to the top left corner of the interface. Here, you will notice device icons that represent different device views, such as web, phone, and tablet. Depending on which layout you want to customize, click on the corresponding device icon. For our purposes, we'll select the web view to demonstrate how these changes affect browsers. With the web view open, your next step is to locate the theme's icon. Typically, this can be found in the top right corner of the application view, often close to the settings gear icon. The theme's icon will usually look like a painter's palette, or sometimes a paintbrush or bucket. Click on this icon, and the Themes panel will glide in from the right side of your screen, displaying a variety of customization features. Here begins the fun part: customizing the theme itself. This panel will showcase several options. First, consider the layout. There are different structural choices for your application's navigation. You might find options such as side pane left, tabs, and more modern layouts that will dictate the menu's appearance on your application. Take a moment to visualize how each layout could enhance your user's experience. Next, it's time to dive into color options. Start by picking from Zoho's preset colors, which are predefined color schemes offering a quick way to change your app's look. However, if you have specific branding guidelines, you might want to use the Custom Colors option. This feature offers you the flexibility to tailor the main theme color as well as supporting elements like the header, menu, and buttons to fit your brand identity perfectly. Don't forget to set up your logo preference. It's essential for maintaining brand consistency. Additionally, choose a font family from the available options. The font adds a subtle yet significant touch to readability and user engagement. Before you finalize your choices, have a look at the live preview. This real-time sneak peek, which appears as you make changes, will let you see exactly how your application will appear when all is said and done. Once you're satisfied with the new look, save your changes. These steps should equip you with the knowledge to effectively modify your Zoho Creator application's theme with ease.